In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this really awesome thermal effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. This one is really awesome for music videos. So once you're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and you've got some footage imported on your timeline, as you can see, I've just got this basic footage of me talking to camera. So once you've got some footage on your timeline, you can go into Effects and search for Invert. Now you'll get two different invert effects applied. One is the audio effects, ignore that one. Next is the video effects channel. So we'll just drop the invert plugin in the video effects onto your footage and instantly we get this really cool effect. Now invert is basically just swapping the colors. So if I turn this off, you can see my hair is quite dark, and if I invert that, that becomes bright. This back wall is purple, so if we invert that, that becomes green. And at the moment, the effect is affecting the RGB channel, so red, green, and blue. Of course, we can target specific colors though. So the red effect looks really cool. You've got green, blue, then you've got HLS, which I believe is hue, lightness, and saturation. You've got the hue, you've got the lightness, and you've got the saturation here. Then you've got YIQ, you've got luminance, and then you've got these two, which I probably couldn't pronounce if I tried, in phase and something else, and they look really cool. And of course, just under here, you've got blend with original. So if we pull this all the way up to 100%, it removes the effect. And if we pull this down to 0, we get the full effect. So if you have that somewhere in between, you can get a really cool effect, but we're going to go for quite an intense look here. The really cool thing as well is you can actually stack these on top of each other. So if we go into red, if I copy that invert effect or drop invert back on, you can set this second one to green. We can do the same thing again, drop invert on again. We can change the channel to saturation. And again, we're starting to get this really unique effect happening. So as you can see, I can just keep stacking these on, and that's going to create this really awesome, unique thermal effect. Of course, turn off as many layers as you like, play with the layers that you want to play with. I'm just going to keep this to a very simple one invert plugin on the red channel, because I think that looks really cool. I am going to pull the blend with original up just a little bit though, so somewhere around 30%, just so we still can see what's happening in the video. So that's a really cool effect, but personally, I wouldn't use this effect on my footage exactly how it is like that. I wouldn't just have that on an entire clip. I'd use this in a flicker, because I think that's a really awesome way of adding character into a music video. So the easiest way to add flicker is to just press C on the keyboard, make a cut at the cursor, and then we'll just move over one frame, make a cut, move over a frame, make a cut, move over a frame, make a cut. Keep repeating this process as many times as you like. Of course, it doesn't have to be a one frame difference, it can be 2 frames, and I'll do that so you can see how that looks. There you go. But the problem is the effect is applied to all of these individual clips. So what we're going to do is, the start of this clip is not going to have the effects on. So we'll start with that. We'll hold shift on the keyboard and then we'll select every other video. So you may want to zoom in to make sure this is precise enough. So select every other video. We'll right click and go up to remove attributes. And then you just want to deselect motion, deselect opacity, deselect time remapping, and make sure inverted is selected. So essentially, this is just going to remove that invert effect from all of those selected clips. So when we play this back, you can see we've got this really cool flicker effect now happening. So when you add that into a music video, that could look really awesome. Of course, though, you don't have to keep every single clip on this one specific effect. You can mix and match. So we'll go for a green on this one. Go for red, then on this one we can change this to blue, and when we play this back it's going to flicker between all of those different effects like so. And there you go, that is the thermal effect inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Of course you can use the invert plugin on its own and you can just have that on your footage and it will look great, but I believe mixing the invert plugin with a flicker effect can create some really interesting and unique effects for music videos and promo videos. So have a play with this plugin, drop it onto your footage, have a look at how this affects all your individual channels, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed by this plugin. I should note as well, this isn't a paid plugin. This is completely free. It comes with Premiere Pro. You don't have to download or install anything. This is just sitting in your Premiere ready to go whenever you're ready. So there you go. That's everything. So thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate your support, and hopefully I will see you on the next video. See you there.